Alright, so I've never done a review video, so I figured why not do one now on this. So here we have the Dapper Dango wallet. Just came in the mail. Literally, I bought it yesterday morning. Got free 1-day shipping. Bought it yesterday morning, and it got here today. Here we are, nice little metal box here. You know, it came really nice. Like I said, extremely fast shipping. Comes with a little instruction manual showing you, I guess, how to work everything. As you see here, it's extremely nice. Comes with a little lanyard if you want to attach it to it. And this is the size of it. Size of your hand. Very thin. Very nice. Very good quality material. Just a little band. Put this down. As you can see here, you can put a card in right here. This actually opens up a little. You put cards in there, and then you have your little strap where you can put your money. Seems like a very well made, really nice wallet. And I'm definitely excited to use it. And that's the Dango Dapper wallet.